Hey everybody, this is Cyclone Pack Ripper coming at you with a quick little mail day video. Today is Saturday, November 13th. Well, let's just jump right into this. Save this one for last. This is from Wildcard. This is from my guys over at AMT Brakes. I got into a little recon brake. I'm a big Celtics fan, so I wanted to get a Paul Pierce card for the collection. Eye on the prize. So that was all I got from that break. One card. This is from an eBay purchase. So I got this 20 of 25 gold die cut Kenny Nwagu. This is from Boomo Brakes, and this guy just makes me laugh. I got a Cespedes, Euclid Cespedes. So, then I got a bunch of little extra mosaics. I got a Anthony Santander, Aaron Nola, Alberto Mondesi, Anthony Rendon, and Aroldis Chapman. He threw those into some extras because I only hit the one card. That was nice of him. This is from Big Easy Box Brakes. Guys out of Houma, Louisiana. I got two keys. This one is number 65 of 75. Oh, my kitty cat come up to join her. Her name is Princess. And this one I got two cards. Another Kenny Nwagu. This one is numbered 37 of 75. And I got a Jalen Phillips out of 99. For the Dolphins. These are from my boys over at Bank Street Brakes. Got two packages from them. I'll just get both of them out. I got into a basketball break with them. Didn't hit much. I think this is a basketball. Football. Had Titans and Jags, and did not hit a freaking Trevor Lawrence out of any of the boxes of cards. Yeah, I didn't hit shit. That's the way my luck is. When I go buy a big team, I don't get nothing. I don't know why I try for them. That's why I go to the smaller teams and you hit a lot more. Got Derrick Henry. Got Titans here. I don't know why there's a Steelers. Oh, he's the Titans. Bud Dupree. Quentin Nelson had the Colts. Oh, I didn't hit too much. Had the Lions. Got those from my dad. He's a big Lions fan. All these Lions cards will be going to my father. And I had the Packers. Got a Brett Favre Red Press Proof. Brett Favre Legends Series. Colin Hill, Aaron Jones. I bought the Bears in the break. This is what I hit. Khalil Mack, David Montgomery, and Hakeem Hicks. Not even one Justin freaking Fields. I'm not shitting you. All right, let's get into this wild card package. See? I bought a box of wild card map. First time ever buying them, and every card was identical. The first two packs were identical to each other, and the second two were identical. So I messaged them, and they sent me some, what they call juiced packs. I don't know what they are. I got a red chase pack. I don't know if this is from the hobby, and green. And then they sent me this pack from the 41st annual National. I'm going to say that one for last because this could have an auto. Never know what's in there. Let's see what these packs have in them. We got a Dio Agbami for the Titans. Zach Wilson, nice card. These are the premieres. Javonte Williams, Sean Wade, Kadarius Toney. And then we got a Rashad Bateman, 5 of 10. That's pretty freaking cool. I don't think any of these are numbered. I'll look on the back. Oh, that's kind of cool. We'll stay with the red, save the green. 5 of 10 and Rashad Bateman. Take it. I don't want to know what the last card is, so let's see. What the heck? Well, we got a Trevor Lawrence. That's kind of cool. I know we got Justin Fields on the back. Landon Dickerson. Hunter Long. Asante Samuel. Najee Harris. And we got a 9 of 12. Justin Fields. The green. I know somebody might be interested in that. That's kind of freaking cool. Thought I opened it the right way and didn't do it. Alright, I opened this one the right way. Alrighty. We've got Jalen Phillips, Brevin Jordan, Amari Rogers for the Packers, Felipe Franks, Mac Jones, and then we got a 50-point J.C. Horn, 1 of 4. Holy crap. That's sweet. That's awesome. Got some good cards in there. Let's see what we got in this national pack. This is the one I've been waiting for. I wonder if we'll get an auto. We got a Sam Ellinger. VIP national card. First wild card. Shattered. It's called Josh Joby. We got a Najee Harris. Illumination. Not numbered. That's freaking cool. And then we got a Mac Jones from the VIP Premier Blue. Not numbered, but beautiful card. That is nice. Thank you, Wildcard. I really appreciate it. That shatter card's pretty cool. Never heard of this Josh Joby. It was in Alabama. Pretty much an Alabama pack. I'm okay with that. Got that beautiful Mac Jones. But the best card is, ain't even close. It's the right there, Justin Fields, 9 of 12. So, well, thank you all for watching my videos. This is Cyclone Pack Ripper signing off. And thank you again, Wildcard, for making things right. So, this is Cyclone Pack Ripper signing off. Peace.